Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2023 Ram 1500 Rebel Crew Cab. In this red color, it looks absolutely awesome. If I'm not mistaken, I haven't looked at the sticker. Velvet? No, Delmonico red. Velvet is Jeep, but it's the same basic color code as Octane red. And it has the black over red interior color. This has the 5.7 liter V8 eTorque for $29.95. 23-gallon fuel tank, class 4 receiver hitch. The Delmonico red is $200. No, we're not over sticker. That's for the running boards. Look at this interior. Absolutely awesome. Yeah, now this isn't a TRX, whatever. Those things are just stupid. Driven a couple of them now, and they sure are fun, I will say that. Digital gauge cluster now looks sick. Again, using the new Uconnect infotainment system. Slide this fore and aft. But if you lift all this up, in here is every generation of Ram. You have first, well, not every generation, to say majority of, and then you also have quadratic formulas and everything. So pretty sweet. Go into drive. I think I did reverse. Show you backup camera. Let's go for a drive. Love these trucks. It's getting to be a long day. I think this is probably my 8th or 9th car, so I'm starting to get a little tired, but this is sweet. This is absolutely sweet. I think this is the perfect color combo for this truck. Delmonico red with the red interior. I think that sets this thing apart. Oh, okay, I thought that was a full 53. Let's see. Come on. How can I drive? All right. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. See y'all in the next one.